Okay, so here we have another video for our geometry section, and this one is C1. And what we're going to do on here is we're going to find the center of our arcs and circles. So, we've got a circle, we've got an arc, we want to find the center of it. This is actually useful for other things than just what we're doing. But basically all you need to do is, if you have an arc, take your straight edge here, and make two intersecting arcs. Lines. And so you do that. Then all you have to do is take your compass and bisect the line. So we take something that we've already learned how to do, right, which is bisect the line. And then we can draw our line through our 2 points, right, like so. Do the same thing here. Strike your arc from the other side. Oops. I'm going off my paper. So I'll just get it in just a little bit. So sorry if it goes off your paper. It'll be alright. Anyway, get this work. Here. Mark that there, mark that there. Okay, so you take two lines, make them intersect. So basically you draw two lines across your circle or arc. In this case, we can go from the end point of the arc, and then you just find the bisector, or cut it in half. And what that does, that creates an intersection, which that intersection right there is our center point. And you don't have to make a little dot, I'm just showing you. Okay, so if I have a circle, same idea. So I just draw me a line, random line here, and we'll draw another random line over here. They intersect. I'm going to use this one this time. See if I can not miss it. Alright, so those are falling apart. Never fails. You do a video and things slip up on you. That's okay. Look. My students say I talk. Oh well. At least I'm not answering. Right. So, here we go. Anyway, so perpendicular bisector, same thing. Alright, we're going to do the same thing on this guy here. And I'm just going to keep the same radius just because. And, you know, you don't have to draw the whole arc. Now, if you just want to draw where it bisects, make your little X marks the spot so that you can line up your points, that's fine too. Doesn't really matter as long as, you know, you end up with, boom, there's your center point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an overlay, I'm going to set it down on here, I'm going to see how close did you get. And of course, depending on how accurate you are with your tools, that'll determine, you know, how accurate your center marks are, and I'll take that into consideration. So, you know, same thing would go down here. Basically, like if you wanted to, for this whole worksheet, you could go through and draw all these angled lines in, and then one by one go through and find the bisector of the line. You're just going to bisect each line, and where they intersect, that is your center point. So all you need is your compass. It's kind of a divider compass, but anyway, a compass, a straight edge, and a pencil. And of course, you need a hand. You guys need that. Alright, so strike an arc. There it is. You'll notice if you use the same radius, you could just draw, strike one arc. I wasn't thinking about it, but I could have done that, and that would have maybe saved a little time. But There you go. Line them up. Like I said, the better and more accurate you are lining up the points, the closer you're going to be to having the right center. And like I said, if you're pretty close and it looks like you did it right, then I'm going to give you credit for it. So hopefully this will help you out on finding the centers of your circles or your arcs. Just remember on a circle, I just drew 2 random lines. The main thing is they have to intersect, okay? So basically it's like drawing an angle on there, and then you're bisecting that line. You know, it's the same thing as bisecting the arc here. Same idea. We're just bisecting that. Well, when you do that, you create a perpendicular bisector. And what that does is that gives you the center. It has to go through the center of the circle or the arc. So that's all I have for C1, and see you on the next video.